welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys these natural looking clip-ins. These clip-ins are perfect for us black girls with textured hair. So I'm just going to start off by pressing out my hair first, because the texture of these clip-ins are a light yaki texture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my whole hair. I freshly shampooed and conditioned it and then blow dried it. And I did not put anything on my hair, so this is just how my hair looks when I straighten it with no product. Now that we're all straightened out and pressed, we're gonna unpack these clip-ins. So the hair is from BetterLength hair. It came in this little pink shipping package and has all the information on the front. And then here's the hair that it here's what the hair came in. It's a satin scrunchy like case off the hair. And I only did get one bundle of their clip-in sets. It comes with 7 clip-ins, and it comes with this thread and an extra clip. So yes, from BetterLength hair, and it is 1B color, and it's 20 inches. And this hair, guys, just blends in perfectly with my hair, as you can see, and it's not even in it yet. So here's how it comes, just one bundle. Then I'll take it off and show you guys the different amount of clips that come in. But the hair was just really soft and flowy, and yeah, so here are the first set with 2 clips, and then you'll get another pair of 2 with 3 clips, and then you'll get another pair of 2 with 2 clips, but it's a little bit wider. And then you'll get one set with 4 clips on it. And now I'm just going to show you guys how I install them. So I'm going to take one with 2 clips on it, and I'm going to unclip both of those, and then section off my hair in the back, leaving some on the bottom. And I'm gonna take one and just clip it onto my hair. You just clip the comb down, and once you feel it's secure, you close those clips, and then you take your hair down. And I put another section of hair down, and I put the other one on, and I just leave some hair in between. And yeah, that's how you install clip-ins. Very simple and straightforward. So I did the 2 pairs of the 2 clip ones, and then I'm gonna take the one with 4 clips on it and put it around that part of my head, since that would be the longest one. And then I'm gonna go back and put another set of the clip-ins with the 2 clips on it. Sorry, it's just like a whole tongue-tied thing. After I put that one on that I just put on, I'm gonna lift that up and put another set of the clip-ins in between that one, just because I wanted it to be a little bit more fuller on the bottom. So that one's just with the 2 clips. And yeah, there's really no way, no specific way to put in the clip-ins. You really just feel it for yourself. It's all based on your head and how much hair you have. So really, it's going to be different for everyone. There's no right or wrong way really to put in clip-ins. Just put them in to where you want the fullness on your hair. And yeah, just make sure the tracks aren't showing and that you have enough hair in between to cover it up and fill up your whole head with the clip-ins. But one bundle was full enough for my hair, as you can see, but I do already have thick hair. So yeah, you just see that blend. This is how long they were on me, but I did end up cutting it a little. You'll see in the video. But guys, this is just blended with my hair like perfectly. So for it to blend a little bit more, I did cut a little layers in the front, and I did cut some of my real hair. I've been wanting to cut some slight layers in the front of my hair, and I'm just gonna cut like a ½ inch off on the bottom, just to have that kind of blunt cut look. But guys, look at it. It's just, the blend is amazing. Getting extensions that match your hair texture makes all the difference. So I'm just going to show you guys some really quick, easy hairstyles to do in your clip-in. So you can just leave it like this, which is straight. And yeah, so that's the first hairstyle. And then we're going to just take out some of the hair in the front sections like so, and then pull it back, and you can leave it in a ponytail, or you can leave it in this clip-up hairstyle that I'm going to show you. So it's like a little 2-in-1 hairstyle that you can do, and leaving the hair out in the front is totally optional, but yeah. Okay, so for this last hairstyle, it's another 2-in-1. We're just going to take out one of the clip-ins and put it on the middle part and cover it up to this side part. And this is just going to be like a little effortless no part side part. Since these clip-ins look really natural, I just want to keep the natural look going and not to go too crazy with like the edges or the parts and everything. So this is like a little natural no part side part, or you can just take some of the hair in the front and put it behind your ear, and you'll have a nice little swoop. And yeah, it's not too neat, not too messy, it just looks natural. So yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.